Thank you, Active, for sending this item to check out. And we're going to be looking at the coffee machine descaler and the cleaner, which are basically the exact same thing. It's just the application is a little bit different. This one here is a solution, and this one is a tablet. So to start off, how much time do you have that you want to be cleaning? If you use the tablet, you're gonna have to drop it in, and you're gonna have to wait for about 3 minutes for it to dissolve. Then you can start the whole cleaning process. So while the tablets take up less space and you get more of them, the time is a factor. How much time do you want to give to yourself to cleaning your coffee machine? But if you use the solution, you just have to pour in the solution and then you start the whole process, and that's just pretty much it. And then you're finished with it without having to wait extra time to clean your coffee machine. Though I did want to make note that when it comes to the solution, it suggests that it goes to the max line and then put the solution. But I almost overfilled it. It just barely just had enough for my particular machine. So I just put a little bit less water and then put the solution so it doesn't overfill. Other than that, they are used the exact same way. This machine happens to be a single serve, so we're going to run one cycle on the largest serving size and dump the water out. Run one more cycle and dump that water out. Then dump the water out from the reservoir, putting water back in. And then we're going to run the cycle 2 more times, dumping the water out each time, and then that's it. But I like to dump reservoir water out 1 more time and then put the water back in, and then I'm done.